Hello kids, welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are doing well and received the previous week's study materials properly. Now we have currently reading the chapter 3, that is keyboard. So till now I have discussed about the alphabet keys, numeric keys and the arrow keys, okay? And using the alphabet keys we can input alphabets to the computer. Using the number key we can type numbers, and using the arrow key we can control the cursor. Now beside these three different keys we have some other types of keys on the keyboard, which are function keys, then special keys. Okay, now in the last class I have discussed some name of function key. Okay, but so first today we will discuss about the function key, then I will discuss the uses of each special key. Okay, so the first is function key. Now before I'm discussing the function key, all of you watch a small video.
What about the function keys? The keys marked from F1 to F12 are called the function keys. These keys are used to perform some special functions. For example, the function key F1 is used for help, and the function key F3 is used for searching a file or document.
So from the video what we have learned? We have learned that there are 12 function keys on a keyboard. See in the picture, the keys that are covered with this red mark, red line, okay? These keys are called function keys. The keys, there are 12 function keys from F1, F2 to F12. Okay, F1 থেকে F12, there are 12 function keys on the keyboard, and each key has their specific use. That means we use the keys for performing different functions. Suppose F1 is using for performing a specific function, F2 is using for performing another function, this type. Okay, so these 12 keys from F1 to F12 are function keys. Okay, now next I will discuss about the different special keys. Okay, so in the last class we had learned the name of the special keys, which are they are enter key, backspace key, then space bar key, delete key, caps lock key, tab key and shift key. Okay, so today I will discuss the uses of this each of the special key. Okay,
Special keys are required to perform some special functions. Some of the special keys work in the combination with other keys. Right, Rennie. Let me tell you more about the functions of different special keys. Yes, please do. Let's start with the enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. The enter key is also used as a command key to make the computer carry out an action when it is pressed. Rennie?
so the first special key is enter key. Okay, so this is the enter key. Okay? And on the keyboard, on a standard keyboard, there are two enter keys. See, on this picture, this blue key, these two blue keys enter key. Okay, with the alphabet keys, এখানে এই position একটা enter key থাকে, and with the numbers key, এই যে numlock সেটটা থাকে, with this numbers key এখানে আরেকটা enter key থাকে. Okay, so on a standard keyboard there are two enter keys. Now in the enter keys are used to move to the next line, or we can say that we can move the cursor to the next line using the enter key. And this is the most important key on the keyboard. Now suppose you want to type your friend's name. Okay, now in the first line you want to type one name, and in the second line you have to type another name. Now after typing on the first line, আমাকে কি করতে হবে? নেক্সট লাইনে যেতে হবে। ফার্স্ট লাইনে আমি আমার ফার্স্ট ফ্রেন্ডের নাম লেখার পর সেকেন্ড ফ্রেন্ডের নাম সেকেন্ড লাইনে লিখতে গেলে I have to move to the next line. Now how we can move to the next line on the computer screen? So using the enter key, I can move to the next line on the computer screen. Okay, then I can write the name on the second line. So this is the use of enter key, and it is the most important key of the keyboard. Now the next special key is space bar key. Now what is the use? See the video first.
The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is present as a horizontal bar in the lowermost row of the keyboard. It provides a blank space between two words.
So what is the use of space bar key? So the space bar key is used to keep the space or create a space in between words or letter written on the computer screen. Okay, now see this longest key is the space bar key. So space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, keyboard যতগুলো key থাকে তার মধ্যে space bar key এর length সবচেয়ে বেশি. It is the most bigger key of the keyboard. See in the picture on keyboard, this blue key, the long blue key, this blue key is the space bar key. This is the most longest key. And this key is used to create space in between words and numbers. Suppose when you write a sentence, you have to give space after every word. Okay, তুমি যখন কপিতেও কোনো সেন্টেন্স লেখো, after every word you have to give space or a gap so that you can identify each word properly. প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ড যাতে পড়তে পারো আলাদা আলাদা করে, তার জন্য প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ডের পরে আমাদের গ্যাপ দিতে হয় যখন আমি একটা সেন্টেন্স লিখি। Similarly, when we type on computer screen, we have to give space or gap between every words or every number. So how we can give a space? So using the space bar key, we can create or we can give a space or a gap between every words we written on the computer screen. And this key is the longest key. Clear? Now the next special key is caps lock key. Now what is the use? Watch the video for this.
The caps lock key activates the lowercase into uppercase. It is used to type in capital letters. When you press this key, a light glows on the top right of the corner of the keyboard, indicating that the caps lock is on.
So this is the caps lock key. So on the keyboard, the caps lock key is present at the fourth row. Okay, fourth row er corner key, the left corner key is the caps lock key. And this key is used to type words or text in capital letters. We can also call this key as a toggle key. Okay, now when you write any word or any letter in capital, suppose you want to type your school name into capital. Okay, তোমার যেরকম তুমি কপিতে capital letter লেখো, similarly we can write on computer screen in capital. So when you want to type your school name into capital, you have to on the caps lock key. Okay, now you have for this you have to press the caps lock key once. Okay, when you press the caps lock key once, the key will on, and after that when you type your school name, it will be visible as capital on the computer screen. Okay, caps lock key on করার পর তুমি যখন তোমার স্কুল নেম টাইপ করবে তখন স্কুল নেমটা ক্যাপিটালে শো হবে on the computer screen. Now why this key is called the toggle key? So this toggle means shift from uppercase to lowercase and also lowercase to uppercase. Okay, that means আমরা using caps lock key use করে কোনো uppercase letter থেকে, suppose আমি uppercase লিখছি, মানে আমি আমার পুরো স্কুল নেমটা ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে লিখছি না, আমি যদি লোয়ার কেসে লিখতে চাই তো আমাকে ক্যাপস লক কিটা অফ করে দিতে হবে, দেন আমি আমার স্কুল নেমটা স্মল লেটারে আর লোয়ার কেসে লিখতে পারবো। এগেইন আবার যদি আমি ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে লিখতে চাই তখন আমি আবার ক্যাপস লক কিটা অন করে দেবো। তো ক্যাপস লক কি অন করে আমি ক্যাপিটাল লেটারে লিখতে পারি আর ক্যাপস লক কি অফ করে আমি স্মল লেটারে লিখতে পারি। ওকে, সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই দিস কি ইজ কল্ড দ্য টগল কি। Understood the use of caps lock key? So caps lock key is used to type a word or a sentence in capital. Now the next key is shift key. Okay, so first watch a video.
Look at the number keys. They have a symbol printed above the number. If you wish to type the symbol, you need to press the shift key and the number key together. So the shift key is used to type the upper character of the keys on the keyboard. The shift key is also used to type in capital letters. If we press the shift key and an alphabet key together, the alphabet is typed in the uppercase. I think the shift key is a better option than the caps lock key when we need to type only a single capital letter in the beginning of a word. Absolutely.
So student, this is the shift key, and this key is used to type words or text or any letter in capital letter. Suppose when we want to type only the beginning letter of a word capital, then we have to use this shift key. Now, আমরা দেখেছি caps lock key is also used for typing any word capital, কিন্তু when we on the caps lock key, then after that, when we type any letter, all the letters are in capital. But if we want only a single letter, that means only a beginning letter or only a single letter in capital, then we have to use the shift key, okay? So we have to press the shift key along with the alphabet that we want to be in capital. Clear? Now, there are two shift key on the keyboard, okay? See this picture. On the keyboard, there are two shift keys. This is the shift key after the enter key, and after the caps lock key, this is a shift key. These two blue keys are shift keys. So on keyboard, there are two shift keys. Now, see on the keyboard, there are different symbols, plus sign, minus sign, then into sign, division sign. And all these symbols are printed over the number keys, okay? Number keys এর ওপরে কিন্তু এই symbol গুলো printed আছে on keyboard. Now how can we type this symbol key? So using the shift key, we can type or we can press all this symbol key. So for this, first we have to press the shift key, and along with that we have to press the symbol key, okay? So for symbol key গুলো কম্পিউটার স্ক্রিনে টাইপ করতে কি করতে হবে, আমাদের শিফট কি আর সিম্বল কি গুলো টুগেদার we have to press, okay? First we have to press the symbol key, shift key, and along with that we have to press the symbol key to type the symbols. Similarly, for typing any letter on capital, we have to press the shift key, and along with that we have to press the alphabet that we want in capital, okay? Now I am showing you practically the uses of shift key, enter key, caps lock key, and space bar key by practical demonstration, okay? Now see students, this is my word window where I can type. In the last class, I have also shown you how we can type on computer by using the alphabet keys for writing any word in sentence. I can use the alphabet keys for writing any number. I can use the numeric key. In the last class, I had shown you all this. Now, today I want to show you the uses of the special keys one by one. Now first, suppose I want to write three names into three different lines, okay? Now in the first line, I am writing Nikita. Okay, in the first line, I am writing this name. Now, suppose in the next line, I want to write another name. First line, I am একটা নাম লিখবো. In the next line, I want to write another name. So what should I do? I have to press the enter key from my keyboard to go to the next line. Okay, first line থেকে second line move করার জন্য I have to press the enter key from my keyboard. Now I'm pressing the enter key. Look what will happen. See, আমি next line চলে গেলাম. First line থেকে I have moved to the next line. Now in this next line, I can type the new name. Yes, new name. And how can I type this name? I am typing this name using the alphabet keys. Okay, আমি ওয়ার্ড গুলোকে alphabet keys দিয়ে করছি. Now suppose in the second line I have to type another name. Okay, second line আমি দুটো নাম একসাথে লিখতে চাইছি. So I have to give a gap or I have to create a space between these two names. আমাকে দুটো নাম যে লিখবো, দুটো নামের মাঝখানে একটা গ্যাপ দিতে হবে যাতে দুটো নামকে আমি প্রপারলি I can read out the two names properly. So using which key I can give the space? Using the space bar key. Okay. So now I am creating a space using the space bar key. যখন আমি space bar key প্রেস করবো দেখবে এই যে কার্সারটা আছে ব্লিঙ্ক করছে লাইনটা কার্সার দিস ব্লিঙ্কিং লাইন উইল এটা একটু গ্যাপ ক্রিয়েট করবে সরে যাবে see I am creating a gap now I am typing the next line okay I am typing the next line now for creating much gap between two words I have to press it twice okay একটু বেশি গ্যাপ ক্রিয়েট করার জন্য আমি যতবার প্রেস করব তত গ্যাপ হয়ে যাবে I can type a new word okay using the space bar key I can create a gap and for moving to the next line I have to press the enter key now আমার এখানে প্রত্যেকটা আমি যে ওয়ার্ড গুলো লিখছি প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ডই ক্যাপিটালে আছে so using which key I can write this all letter capitals using the caps lock key আমি আমার কিবোর্ডের ক্যাপস লক কি অন করে রেখেছি তাই আমি যে ওয়ার্ডই লিখছি সেই ওয়ার্ডটাই ক্যাপিটালে শো করছে ওকে as I have already on my caps lock key on keyboard so all the words are visible in capital এবার যখনই আমি caps lock key অফ করে দেব আমার কিন্তু প্রত্যেকটা লেটার বা প্রত্যেকটা ওয়ার্ড স্মল লেটারে শো হবে ওকে সো আমি caps lock key এখন অফ করে দিচ্ছি see what will happen দেখো এখানে একটা ক্রস এসেছে see what will happen now I'm writing chocolate দেখো each and every letter of these words are printed in small letter যেহেতু আমি ক্যাপস লক কি বন্ধ করে দিয়েছি এতক্ষণ আমি যেটাই লিখেছি নিকিতা সুমন শ্বেতা স্কুল all the words are printed in capital কেন because আমি ক্যাপস লক কি অন করে রেখেছিলাম কিন্তু এখন all these letters are printed in small কারণ আমি ক্যাপস লক কি অফ করে দিয়েছি ওকে now if I want to print only the single letter in capital then I have to press the shift key okay আমি শুধু shift key প্রেস করলে আমার একটা লেটার ক্যাপিটাল হবে আর যখন আমি shift key প্রেস করব না সব লেটার গুলো স্মল এ হবে so now I'm writing book suppose I want to write book and B টা শুধু ক্যাপিটালে হবে so I have to press the B alphabet B key and shift key together দেখো কি হয় আমি করছি yes B টা ক্যাপিটাল হলো কারণ আমি শিফট কি আর বি কি একসাথে প্রেস করেছি তারপর আমি শিফট কি প্রেস করছি না so other remaining letters are in small okay now আমি প্লাস সাইনটা I want to type the plus sign তো আমি কি করব শিফট সাইন আর প্লাস সাইন একসঙ্গে প্রেস করলে প্লাস হবে আবার যদি আমি মাইনাস সাইন or into sign চাই তাহলে আমাকে same I have to press the shift along with that I have to press the multiplication sign okay this is the into sign of multiplication sign so this is the practical demonstration students of using the different special keys so you can practice this in your home and if you have any problem then let me know okay I will help you now this is page number 16 and 17 of your skill sheet book so all of you first read the topic so far I have discussed the function key enter key then caps lock key space bar key or shift key so all of you read this topic from your computer book and then solve the skill sheet book page number 16 and 17 now what is the work here observe the picture of the keyboard given below and fill the blanks accordingly okay so number 1 is the keyboard has dash alphabet keys on it see in the picture here are 26 alphabet on a keyboard there are 26 alphabets so the answer is 26 next is you can dash any alphabet word or sentence using the alphabet key So using the alphabet key, we can type any alphabet, word or sentence. Okay. Now the next is the alphabet keys are from dash to dash. So the alphabet keys are from A to Z, 26 alphabet. Now the keyboard has dash numeric keys. So on the keyboard, see there are keys from 0 to 9. That means 10 numeric keys. So the answer is 10 numeric keys. Now the next is the numeric keys are from dash to dash. So the numeric keys are from 0 to 9. Clear? Number 6 is the keyboard has dash function keys. So I have discussed in today's class that there are 12 function keys